Welcome to Umkosi, where I give you the latest Umkosi Wasa Africa. But before I do that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be part of the notification squad. I'm pretty sure that a lot of you know Owami Hlongwane, who is one of the biggest bloggers in South Africa, YouTube bloggers in South Africa, with a number of more than 150,000 subscribers. Imagine, she has a lot of subscribers. She has a huge following on YouTube. Her videos get a massive number of views. She does mostly celebrity gossip and celebrity news, what is happening around South Africa in terms of the showbiz business and the stuff. Now, she has been one lady who has also spoken about her struggles with her marriage. She spoke about this recently last year, where she was saying that they were having some problems with her husband and they almost got divorced, and that they were they were on separation of some sort. However, she went on to say that they ended up fixing things and everything was okay.
They were shocked that I even was considering leaving Big Guy because he cheated on me. It was like, I'm like, but that should be the norm, you know? Guys, it's so much that happened. I could talk back. Last day was miserable for me. I don't even.
Now, another thing that Owami Hlongwane mentioned in one of her videos, or in most of her videos, is that her and her in-laws, they never got along. She is a vendor and her husband was Big Guy, known as Big Guy on her channel, is Zulu. Now, there has been some sort of animosity between Owami Hlongwane and some of her relatives from her husband's side. They never got along very well. Now, it seems like there has been some problem. There have been huge problems in that marriage. Owami, being a person of the media who knows how media can be full of vouchers, she never really mentioned how or what was the reason behind their almost separation, or their separation between her and her husband, solely because maybe she thought that things would get better and everything would be okay. Now, she has been MIA on YouTube for quite some time, for at least 2 weeks or so, and all along some of us were thinking that maybe she was just on holiday, because some people were not actually uploading videos during the December holidays, especially towards the end, and so that was the assumption that she was also taking a break. However, it seems like she was dealing with a lot more than that. Apparently, it seems like the reason for their separation between her and Big Guy was because Big Guy had cheated on her. She went on to mention that Big Guy cheated on her with a lady that actually sells meat on the side of the road. She mentioned that it pained her so much because she was also in that same position. She also was selling pap on the side of the road, and so she didn't understand why Big Guy would actually go back to such a situation where she managed to lift herself out from and become one of the biggest YouTubers in South Africa. She also mentioned that she really loved Big Guy, and because she was with Big Guy since she was like 21, she never thought that Big Guy would actually cheat on her, and he had never cheated on her. Hence, this was a very difficult experience for her. It was really taking a toll on her. She mentions that she was crying before and after videos. It was so crazy. Apparently, they separated in April, that is last year, during a lockdown. It's so crazy. Now, according to Owami Hlongwane, she is saying that Big Guy cheated. However, Big Guy literally told everybody that Owami is the one who cheated, because Owami had actually chased him out of the house. So Big Guy told everybody that Owami was the one who actually cheated, and because she had some difficult relationship with her in-laws, obviously it was a bit it wasn't difficult for the in-laws to actually believe Big Guy that Owami actually cheated, because obviously they were never in good books since they got married. Mind you, these people have been married for like 9 years. I don't know what was it that they were fighting for between, or what was it that the in-laws were fighting Owami for. It's so crazy. She also said that she tried to be patient. A lot of people say that in marriage you have to be patient and, try to work things out. Especially in the African culture, women are told to be patient, to begezela. That's the word that she used. To begezela. And then she said that she was told that the husband uqinisa indlu, uqinisa umuzi, meaning that he was making the family stronger by actually cheating. It's so crazy. And she said that she literally felt miserable, trying to be patient or trying to get over the fact that her husband cheated, especially knowing that the husband is the only man that she knew. She started dating him when she was 21, very very young, and so it really got on to her. And also she says that after confrontation, after they started talking about this issue of why he was cheating and everything. It seems like Owami's channel was brought into the picture. Apparently, Owami was actually making a lot of money on YouTube, a lot of money more than Big Guy, and that really made him feel inferior and uncomfortable. And at some point, according to Owami, he said that Big Guy asked her to stop doing YouTube, because he didn't feel comfortable for the fact that she was making a lot of money more than him. I mean, in this century, I don't know. I didn't know there were people who were still thinking like this, that only a man has to have more money. I guess it's the concept that a man should take care of the family. A man is the provider. Hence, Big Guy felt he was small, and Owami says that maybe that is why he had to go back to a lady who is doing what Owami was doing back then, because back then Big Guy was actually the one who did everything for Owami, including setting up the YouTube channel, and buying data and the equipment, the cell phone that she used when she started doing her YouTube channel. So it's so crazy. And when Owami actually started, when Owami looked at this, she said that only Big Guy mentioned this after he cheated, and if he had not cheated before and had told her that he's not comfortable with her making a lot of money, then they would have maybe discussed a common ground, something that they could do. But I mean, I don't know, this is my opinion. If we are making a lot of money in our house, what's the problem? Why is it a problem that the woman why is it a problem if a woman is making more money than the man? And to make things worse, I don't understand why it was a problem for Big Guy, because Owami clearly states that all her accounts, bank cards, were actually being kept by Big Guy. And whenever she needed money and needed to transfer money to another account or one of Big Guy's accounts, which she kept, she literally asked and said, "No, Daddy, this is what we want to do, blah 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 blah," and approve, and then transfers were made. So she was really not in control of her finances. Big Guy was in control of the finances, just like a household should be. They should be one person who is in charge of finances, but it shouldn't be a problem if one person makes more money than the other, or if a lady makes more money than the woman. I don't know, this is my opinion, but this is what's up. It's so unfortunate, but it seems like she is in a good place. She is in a good place, and she is in a good place by the fact that she is now comfortable to talk about it, and hence she is now back, I guess, or maybe she was just back for this video only. She's not back online, and that's where she shared the full details. You can actually go on her YouTube channel and check out the full details of what's going on, but basically what I've shared is what she has said.